someone low key. Africa's finest, someone low key. I just knew that no one could control me. I'm just living out my dreams, Strappy, don't sleep.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, then hi. My name is Ife. I'm a freelance writer that occasionally makes videos showing you how to live your best life on a budget. So if you're not already subscribed, then click that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing a style. We're going to be styling, rather. We're going to be redressing an outfit. We're going to show you guys different ways to redress an outfit, make it look a different way with just like one outfit, but adding different things to it to make it look like a whole different outfit. So if you're up for that, then keep on watching. It is actually like the first ever styling video I'm doing because I feel like it's funny how actually, because I was very slim at then. Like I just feel like I didn't want all my bits and bobs and like all my fatty bits and all of that. It's like the out on display when I put on clothes, and yeah, it's a body insecurity thing apparently. Apparently, I know it's a body insecurity thing, don't mind me. So yeah, I used to like avoid doing styling videos because of that. But then I'm just like, if there's anybody that's uncomfortable with my body, then I don't even care. Like, just be happy basically, and that's like the most important thing, doing things that make you happy and trying styling tips make me happy. Wearing the basic dress by itself is the first way. I got this dress from my thrift store, which is nifty and chic. Obviously it's supposed to be for someone that has like smaller boobs because like obviously, but I just happen to, I really like the dress, like I really like the dress, so I'm just like, you guys can hang in there, you can work this out. So with this dress I'm going to go monochrome and pair with these shoes. For the second look I'm going to go monochrome and pair this dress with a soft blazer. I could actually just leave this and let it flare around and just look like a sort of cover up, or I could I just like I'm about to go to secret mission. Sexy agent. For next look, I'm wearing office shoes. I'm doing a little pattern mixing. I would pair this with a solid color shoe because I want it to like balance my whole outfit. To boots and not to boots. I have my little strappy heels on. I feel like I'm ready for like some office romance. I'm ready for someone to give me like an apple. For outside outfits, we're going to be introducing this into the look. And then what we're going to do is just tie the bottom. I have my skirt, like my gown, tucked in under the top, like I just folded it in. And if you want it to be longer, you can just like drag it down, whatever you want to do. But I kind of like the way it is here. So it's just grazing my boot. So what I'm going to do with my silk top is tie it.
Yes, I give my guys the best advice. Never try to change someone, you be stressed for life. Never try to clip her wings, she was meant to fly. Heard a voice in my head and it sounded like this.
So I'm going to pair it with something close to the texture of my top. Let's pair this outfit with this shirt. Something else you could do is if you have like a leather, like if your silk top is way baggier than this, then you can stick it around your shoulder, like let it fall back a little bit to give you an even more laid back effect.
Forget the back and forth discourse. I came here to get my fix, girl. Time for lift off.
Next thing we're going to do with this outfit is layering, and I chose this blue pastel top that I had because I really like mixing pastel colors together. I like the feeling it gives me. Tied up with black boots or Nude sandals. Sometimes you can do with this, like with this whole layering thing. There's like endless possibilities. You can layer it with a turtleneck, different colors of t-shirts, tops, blouses, anything you must layer on, like patterns. Even just be adventurous. Charles layering with some patterns, some other pastel colors, some neutral colors. Go crazy basically. Next outfit we need to try on is pairing this with a skirt. I'm making this a top. Something you could do is put on a skirt over it, like either this one a leather skirt or a metallic skirt, and like let the frill come out at the end of your skirt. So it kind of looks like a whole different dress. I'm going to go nude with this whole look. Okay, so next thing we're doing is we're going to turn this gown into a top to go with our jeans.
Cause your face got me harder than you want my banana.
Next, I'm going to pair same peplum top with this metallic skirt that I actually cannot fit into anymore. Sugar. I'm too fast for enter the skirt, so it has to be short. So enjoy all my beads and bobs on display with my sneakers. Next thing we're going to do is play around with loose pants and make this gown into a top. I like layering loose pants on top of my gown because with that I don't have the problem of my gown showing or bunching or anything like that. So it doesn't look like this. So let me adjust this real quick. I'm going to fold it inside like this way.
Mercy me, you'll find it in the baseline. Baby, cool me down. Oh, baby, cool me down tonight. Yeah, she said cool me down. Jeans tryna hide that back, but how you can fool me now? How you move it round? How don't they lose it now? She they vibe with the music now. It's like old school Shaq. Should you be my Julie now? Baby, should you be my Julie?
Let's go with this cute sandal.
School me now. All the haters want to shoot me now, but they no face.
My last outfit choice is pairing this now. It's basic, bright colored sweater. Something you could do is either, like, I prefer it to be a cropped sweater. So if your sweater isn't already cropped, if it's like big, a bit large, then you can put it a little bit back so it gives like this crop at the front, down below kind of look. Then you can either leave your sleeves full out or roll them up. I'm pairing this whole look again with this cute shoes, super cute shoes. So it has you looking all proper and chic and super bougie. Rich and vibes, rich and vibes.
To this tattoo on my right hand, love to reach those heights late at night when you know I need that me and you time. I break you off some of this roof side, make all of your troubles disappear for a few hours. You become the muse that inspires on my new bars. That's it, even great. Maybe
talk money to me. I always speak in money.
We can just chill later.
You understand?
Keep spooning now. Think it's time for round 2. Peace out, baby.
Cool me down and just show me the waistline. Anywhere you go, I'ma run to the wristline.
Just kidding, not very. So we have come to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments which of the outfits you would definitely try out, which of the outfits you liked, which of the combos you were feeling. I'll be happy to read your comments, like, from the bottom of my heart.
Shit, now you they call me. Told them if it's money to involve
Give me all your comments.
no time to gist, man, I'm sorry. I've been on the grind for the long.
So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a thumbs up, which is as simple as liking it. Leave a comment, everything that I've not said that I'm supposed to say. Yeah, do all of that. And thank you once again.
Put it on repeat, let the groove in. Say they always rapping for the movement. Bang bang, give these guys the blueprint. Come on, still independent on my